Just one quick little tip when doing stuff like this. Get yourself some baggies, a little permanent marker, and label and write down a little note for all the pieces you take apart. And snap some pictures. I'll be recording everything, so I'll have some video to go back and look at. But that should help you along the way. Alright, we're starting off by taking the engine cover out. It has 3 bolts holding it in. They're number 5 Allen head is what I use to get them out. Alright, I think we're gonna have to reuse these rubber grommets in the Z1 cover. So when you take out those 3 bolts, it fits kind of tight because these snap onto a post underneath the cover. So we'll probably be reusing these. Alright, that's it for today. Didn't get a lot done this week. Barely anything actually. But I've kind of been strategizing how I want to go about doing all this. But here's how she looks with the engine cover off, the strut bar out, and the radiator shroud removed.